Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by verifying the essentials. Enable camera access for your scanner app and close other apps that might be using the camera. Once done, physically clean the lens and remove film or heavy screen glare because smudges and reflections block decoding. Position the QR code flat, fill most of the frame, and use uniform light. Too dim or too bright both fail. Make sure the code isn't printed at low resolution or heavily folded. Those visual defects prevent reliable scanning. Next, change how you scan. Try the phone's native camera, then a dedicated QR app, and finally a different device if available because software decoders vary. Once you pick an app, use autofocus and move the phone slowly. Sudden jiggling confuses the algorithm. Hold roughly 30 to 45 centimeters away and adjust zoom instead of cropping. Also inspect color contrast. High contrast like black on white decodes fastest. Patterned or colored backgrounds cause errors, so isolate the code when possible. Finally, use fallback options. If scanning still fails, type any visible short URL into the browser or use a desktop webcam scanner, since larger sensors often succeed. If you control the code, regenerate it at higher resolution and avoid tiny modules or error correction set too low. Once done, restart the phone and update the scanning app, because software bugs block decoding sometimes. If network redirects fail after scan, disable VPN or proxy and try again. This often resolves access errors.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.